up, we're going with the wolf head. You see, we start out by giving a little screw down to our Wilton power arm vise. You can see we got it on a motorcycle jack stand table. Cutting the plug off and taking a little bit of that wood off of his ears that needs to come out. Get rid of some of the plug. We're just going around now and giving him a little fur. His long hair on his face, trying to get that put in. Put some lines in the rocks that's gonna have a rock base. We're just opening his ears up, give him a little ear hair. A little bit of eye work there. Normal fur in here, just give him a little hair. Start out with little hair and, you know, small cuts, and it gets fewer but bigger cuts out on the end, which makes it look like a little more heavy. Tilt it back a little bit. That's a good thing about this vise, is I can tilt it back. Makes it a lot easier to see his mouth there. So that helps out greatly. Yeah, these vice, they retail for around $400 bucks. Like I say, you can find them on eBay sometimes for about $200. Got the eye tool out, popping his eyes in. You can see that he wakes up all of a sudden once he gets some eyes in him. And there's a nose, kind of a nose hole. The wolf is really easy, rough out to figure out. The biggest problem I see that people make when they finish the wolf, and with a lot of them, is using the wrong size eye tool. Not having the right size eye tool for the animal they're finishing. So that's pretty much it there. We're going to get our grinder out. We'll sand the base up with the angle grinder. Here we are back to the nylon bristle brush. We're going to give him a good cleaning before we put fire on him. It just takes a little more burning if you don't do this, and this just moves it a little bit better. Okay, we got the fire out there, and we fixing to give him a little cook job and get rid of the little fuzz and give him a little color. Burn him the way you like it. I try to just burn the rocks, then we'll flap them back out. I always try to shadow the ears, darken the nose, darken the eye sockets a little bit, top of the head a little bit, cheeks, and then have it a little bit lighter around the rest of its face. I can usually get the wolf to look better with a little stain than I can with fire. Here I got a pretty big flame. Yeah, we're just using Cinderflex to highlight some of the high spots back out. Hopefully leave a little bit of shadow in the low spots. I thought we'd kind of go over the stuff that we use basically on coloring our carvings here. Our main things, I got some dyes here that I made by Mixall that you can mix with just about anything. I use basically water for the 90% of it. Mix, the dye with water. It's real easy to keep clean in my airbrush. But what I probably use even more than the colors is Minwax stain. I like golden oak, is probably my favorite light color. And then I use Vincinal and black walnut for my dark colors. Minwax makes hundreds of different colors. I basically use 90% of what I do. And as far as airbrush system, I got cheap Harbor Freight airbrush, or you can get them on eBay. That's about what we use for coloring our carvings. Hope this helped. Okay, well, we start out with our dark colors again and spray, the ears, eyes, nose, and a little shadow up underneath the rocks in his neck. Kind of put a little bit of yellow on his nose and his face. Then we go over with kind of a reddish brown, just a quick, fogging of it just to give it a hint of color. Throw a little golden oak over top of it. And voila, that's kind of our wolf for today. I hope you have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one.